Bathroom vanity sinks to create a Zen decor. If you want to create a Zen decor in your bathroom with vanity sinks, this guy will help you. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to transform your bathroom into a serene, Zen-inspired space using beautiful vanity sinks. Let's create a relaxing oasis right at home. To create a Zen decor in your bathroom with vanity sinks, consider the following elements. Number 1. Natural materials. Choose sinks made from natural stone, wood, or bamboo to promote a calm, earthy aesthetic. Number 2. Minimalist design. Opt for simple, clean lines. A vessel sink or a wall-mounted sink can create a spacious feel. Number 3. Soft colors. Use muted tones like whites, greens, or soft grays to evoke tranquility. Number 4. Plants. Incorporate small indoor plants or succulents around the sink area for a touch of nature. Number 5. Lighting. Choose soft, warm lighting to enhance the peaceful atmosphere. Consider backlit mirrors or sconces. Number 6. Clutter-free space. Keep surfaces clear by using storage solutions that hide away toiletries, contributing to a serene environment. Number 7. Water features. If space allows, a small water feature or fountain can add soothing sounds, enhancing the Zen vibe. By combining these elements, you can create a harmonious and calming bathroom retreat. Here are more detailed ideas to enhance your Zen bathroom decor centered around vanity sinks. Scent and sensation. Aromatherapy. Consider adding a diffuser with essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus to promote relaxation. Soft textiles. Use plush towels and bath mats in natural fibers to enhance comfort. Art and decor. Nature-inspired art. Select artwork that features nature scenes or calming abstracts. Zen elements. Incorporate Zen-inspired decor, like a small Buddha statue or a sand garden, to reinforce the theme. Personal touches. Meditation space. If space allows, create a small corner with a cushion for meditation or quiet reflection. Mindful decor. Choose items that resonate with you personally, creating a space that feels truly relaxing and intimate. By thoughtfully combining these elements, your bathroom can transform into a serene, Zen oasis that promotes peace and mindfulness. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.